time of uncertainty, do you fear or force your inner power awakening? So how to replace fear with force? Which steps are you going to take today and tomorrow and the following days? How to survive, and is it even possible to thrive during difficult times? When dealing with intense fear during times of uncertainty, there's only one power and one force, and it's not outside, it's inside. So here is your survival guide. I put this together for you as things are changing, and I hope you are peaceful and safe and sound in your home. So I'm deeply respectful and I'm deeply aware of all the worldwide situation, and I feel to be more communicating with you. So I'm Elisa, and here I am sharing my inspiring thoughts and my experience about how you can focus on what you can control to build your ideal now and expand your ideal future. So I will take you step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to replace fear with force, and you'll be able to feel the awakening of your inner power, of your inner wealth, as a powerful source of well-being, because it's all about body, mind, purpose, meaning, being in spirit, and your relationships. So this is very powerful. So you may watch this video and also subscribe to my channel. It's free, and if you like it, put a thumb up, and you'll be the first one to be notified when my new videos are released. So during times of major changes, many times I have been through challenges in my life myself, losing everything twice, and recently again, when all this started, I felt a little disoriented with this coronavirus situation, like confusion, and a little out of my comfort zone. So is this something you feel? Do you feel the same? Let me know in the comments below and share your thoughts of encouragements for everyone. So in this video, I will inspire you to do something practical, useful, to reflect on yourself, on your life, on your emotions, and how to live better, staying focused and positive, and to build your ideal now and your ideal future. Step here, it's to be conscious and willing to adapt, because with every big change you have a tremendous opportunity to adapt and align yourself not to the outside circumstances, but to your uniqueness, to your inner power, and to appreciate the good. So this is going to be your inner power awakening. So you probably know already, we all are vibrations, we are energy, we are thinking, we are feeling, we are living on the frequencies, and we create our experiences consciously and unconsciously. So how do you adapt and then tap into your inner power? So follow these steps. You must have a special mindset shift process, which I called the SMS process, special mindset shift. So here, what I suggest to do as your priority, how to prepare yourself for you, for your family, for your business during transformation times, these are things you can control. So the first step of the mindset process shift will allow you to overcome the negativity and the feeling of overwhelm and the fear. We all have inside of us the negativity predisposition with fear, because for thousands of years, to keep us safe, we have that sense of protection and safety, during an emergency or during difficult times. So it could have been against, at that time, against dangerous animals or other tribes, but we still have it, and it's called the fight or flight response, and it gives you a state of stress with adrenaline. How to stop the stress triggers? So when you look at the news and what's going on in the world, it scares us and we feel totally lost and overwhelmed. So of course the news gives us valuable information, but that sensation of fear and anxiety may rise and grow so much if we constantly watch the news. So your new routine element may be to watch less news, only once per day, 1 hour per day, or something like this. So be conscious of that. Now, how to overcome negativity. That's a major part. So you have to amplify your positive thinking using affirmations. Always feeling positive affirmation. Repeat them in the morning, because this will be a source of meaning and purpose in your life, and it's incredibly effective. It will be changing your behavior using the creative imagination muscle, and be in touch with your inner genius. And a lot of actors, entrepreneurs, great leaders, spiritual leaders, actually like Einstein, said imagination is more important than knowledge. So you may use your imagination and it will develop. And then you have your inner power, intuition, and I have a special 6-step guide for you to know more about your intuition. It's free. So choose to rise your positivity, your imagination, your intuition, and this act as an emotional buffer to release all the pain and the suffering. It's very effective, and it's a source of bringing more meaning. Here comes the best part. How to attract and activate more imagination and intuition. How to vibrate with the positive energy that you want to attract. So each day, start with each morning. Do something that gives you more pleasure, more satisfaction, and intentionally create the best vibration and feeling of happiness. Your morning is then emotionally driven. So that's my energizing morning ritual. 1, gratitude and mantra for several minutes. 2, meditate. 3, breathe. 4, exercise with movement, running, walking, jumping jacks, yoga. 5, prepare your favorite warm tea, coffee. For me, it's tea with honey, lemon, ginger, cloves, plus my powerful micronutrients that I take to reinforce all my cells and even reinforce my DNA cells. This is called epigenetics. In 6, go into nature, and if you cannot get out of the city, if you're in the city, breathe at the window. 7, listen to music. Now your peaceful evening ritual. Write your journal, like a gratitude journal of what happened during the day. 9, this will prepare you for adequate sleep and a restful sleep. Now, purposeful and intentional day. Eat healthy. Keep meaningful relationship even at a distance. Grow your spiritual with reading and mentoring. 12, expand your meaning, have a purposeful work and life. 13, stay active. So the key here is to build happiness and building your awareness to build more pleasure activities with oxytocin, dopamine, serotonin. These are hormones, the happy hormones. So have an intentional routine, and this way you will eliminate all the fears and the anxiety. I've done this, it works, it's science-based. Does that make sense? If it is, write my inner power in the comments below. And I share with you and share with us, your healthiest morning routine. So now, regain your presence to be there in peace with passion and purpose. That's the step 3. The highest energy current is love, so use it every day. And being present now with intention, you use your authentic inner power when you live with your intentions. These will fortify your faith, and it will build your immune system with your presence awareness. It's called the now power, or the power of now. Nurture hope like a leader. It helps you create motivation for every next day to come. Amplify your optimism to spread love with your loved ones, which are around you, of course, and further extend your loving and joyful feeling to people you communicate with. So with this SMS process, my special mindset shift process, you bring a level of purpose and passion into your life, which builds more happiness and a feeling of security. So now you can feel the awakening of your inner power, of your inner wealth, as a powerful source of well-being. So like this video, share it to one person you know who would like to hear this, and comment below. So, are you going to use my simple process to focus on what you can control to build your ideal now and expand your ideal future? Are you? Yes? No? So let me know in the comments below. So you have to know this. Science and wisdom are all connected. This is body, mind, spirit, life you are building for yourself, and it will benefit you and your family and the entire planet. So if you are serious about creating your life without fear and being your true authentic self, grab my free 6-step guide to amplify your intuition and instantly change your life for the better. Now the link is in the description below. Stay safe, bye bye.